simplistic thing to say, because I don't care about art as much as I care about what the art is going to do. So if the art doesn't have any other purpose but just to look nice, then it's a waste of time. And I just hope that whatever I do in life is towards like changing the future.
Thank you.
Wow,
right. My name is Kima. About myself, I'm an artist. I enjoy doing art. Art is what I do overall. I am art. 5 years from now. Be a pro. As I said, better than Picasso. Or if not better than Picasso, the next Picasso, Junior.
You heard it here first. Yeah.
Alive. Alright, so pretty much my name is Live Cham, I'm a visual artist, you know. Art Evolution is like a little baby for me. You know, how do I see art? I just want art to change the minds of people and to just impact them in a very powerful and spiritual way, you know. And I know art for me is gonna go places, you know. I see myself touring the world, doing murals all over the world, so that's what's up, you know. Sharing my world out there, healing touch through art. Bless up.
Thank you, Tivoli Project Art 2023 July. So yeah, this is where you need to be. Come down here and look at the project.